Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. क्या खूब है, How wonderful. मेरे पास समय नहीं है, I don't have time. I don't have time. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine. I am fine. आलसी मत बनो, Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. मुझे जाने दो, Let me go. Let me go. मुझे परेशान मत करो, Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. फिर मिलते हैं, See you again. See you again. बिल्कुल नहीं, Not at all. Not at all. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you ill? Are you ill? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, Nothing like that. Nothing like that. मेरी बात सुनो, Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझे कल याद दिलाना, Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow. तुम इसे जानते हो? You know it. You know it. कुछ नहीं होगा, Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? आपको मालूम है? Do you know? Do you know? बिस्तर सही करो, Make the bed. Make the bed. ईर्ष्या मत करो, Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. सब खत्म हो गया, It's all over. It's all over. मेरे साथ खड़े रहो, Stand by me. Stand by me. और कुछ दिखाओ, Show something else. Show something else. मुझे बुला लेना, Call me up. Call me up. मेरे अनुसार से, According to me. According to me. आइसक्रीम मत खाओ, Don't eat ice cream. Don't eat ice cream. पानी मत पियो, Don't drink water. Don't drink water. बहाने मत बनाओ, Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मिलते रहना, Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ, I agree with you. I agree with you. तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ काम है, I have some work. I have some work. मैं पढ़ नहीं सका, I could not study. I could not study. आप कब आए? When did you come? When did you come? इसे फिर से कहना. Say it again. Say it again. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. खुद पर विश्वास रखो. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. This is too much. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. सबसे पहले. First at all. First at all. मेरा पास लैपटॉप है. I have a laptop. I have a laptop. ये बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. दिखावा मत करो. Don't show off. Don't show off. हाल ही में. Recently. Recently. ख्याल रखना. Take care. Take care. हम हार गए. We lost. We lost. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. मैं आपको जानता हूँ. I know you. I know you. हमेशा समय के पाबंद रहो. Always be punctual. Always be punctual. आप इससे बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this. You can't escape from this. आप उसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. आप कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What are you doing? आप बेवजह यहाँ बैठे हैं. You are unnecessarily sitting here. You are unnecessarily sitting here. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. इस मामले पर मेरी कोई राय नहीं है. I have no opinion on this matter. I have no opinion on this matter. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. कम से कम एक बार तो आओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. कमरे में कोई नहीं है. There is nobody in the room. There is nobody in the room. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. उसका मजाक मत बनाओ. Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. कार में बैठो. Get in the car. Get in the car. कितनी शर्म की बात है. What a shame. What a shame. कितने आलसी लड़के हो तुम. How lazy boy you are. How lazy a boy you are. कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please come in. Please come in. घुमा फिराकर बातें मत करो. Don't talk in roundabout way. Don't talk in roundabout way. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली है. Summers are about to come. Summers are about to start. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. जबान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. ठीक से करो. Do properly. Do properly. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this only. You deserve this only. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? तुम कितने बजे उठते हो? At what time do you get up? At what time do you get up? जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. जैसे मुझे बड़ी परवाह है. As if I care. As if I care. जाकर वहीं खड़े हो जाओ. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. तमीज़ से बात करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. तुम यहाँ से चलते बनो. You walk away from here. You walk away from here. तुम सच को झुठला नहीं सकते. You can't falsify the truth. You can't falsify the truth. पूरी दुनिया इसे जानता है. The entire world knows him. The entire world knows him. पैर घसीटकर मत चलो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. मुझे बाहर जाने दो. Let me go out. Let me go out. मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है. I also think so. I also think so. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. दूरी बनाए रखो. Keep distance. Keep distance. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. Nothing else. उससे माफ़ी मांगो. Apologize to him. Apologize to him. उसे विदा करो. See him off. See him off. कान खोलकर सुनो. Listen up. Listen. अब तक. Till now. Till now. वह भाग निकली. She escaped. She escaped. मेरा पीछा करना बंद करो. Stop following me. Stop following me. लानत है तुम पर. Damn you. Damn you. यह सिर्फ एक अफवाह है. It's just a rumor. It's just a rumor. वह हंसने लगी. She began to laugh. She began to laugh. दूसरों की नकल मत करो. Don't copy others. Don't copy others. काश मेरे पास पैसे होते. I wish I had money. I wish I had money. काश मैं अमीर होता. I wish I were rich. I wish I were rich. खुद को संभालो. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. यह पागलपन है. This is madness. This is madness. सिर्फ पूछ रहा हूँ. Just asking. Just asking. मैंने सब कुछ खो दिया. I lost everything. I lost everything. अब और नहीं. Not anymore. Not anymore. तब से. Since then. Since then. इसीलिए. That's why. That's why. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. मुझे कभी भी फ़ोन कर सकते हो. Call me anytime. Call me anytime. नए दोस्त बनाओ. Make new friends. Make new friends. आपका दिन अच्छा हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. यह एक जाल है. It's a trap. It's a trap. वह सुरक्षित है. She is safe. She is safe. दोबारा. Again. Again. इसे नीचे रखो. Put it down. Put it down. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. उसे अंदर आने दो. Let her in. Let her in. खोलो इसे. Open it. Open it. काफ़ी समय पहले. A long time ago. A long time ago. चाहे जो हो जाए. Come what may. Come what may. कुछ भी संभव है. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. खाना लगा दो. Serve the food. Serve the food. बिस्तर लगा दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. अपने दिमाग का उपयोग करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. कमरे में जाओ. Go to the room. Go to the room. आराम करो. Take rest. Take rest. शांत रहो. Keep calm. Keep calm. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. हमेशा ईमानदार रहो. Always be honest. Always be honest. मेरा विश्वास करो. Believe me. Believe me. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मेरे पास नहीं है. I don't have. I don't have. मेरे पास सब कुछ है. I have everything. I have everything. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry. I am sorry. इसे हमेशा याद रखना. Always remember this. Always remember this. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. मुझे सोने दो. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. उसे बोलने दो. Let him speak. Let him speak. मुझे बताने दो. Let me tell. Let me tell. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What has happened to you? What has happened to you? एक तरफ हो जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. मुझे यह वाला पसंद है. I like this one. I like this one. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मेरी मदद करो. Help me. Help me. मुझे मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need help. I need help. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मैं आपकी मदद करूँगा. I will help you. I will help you. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप कहाँ काम करते हैं? Where do you work? Where do you work? मैं बैंक में काम करता हूँ. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. मैं पढ़ता हूँ. I study. I study. मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है? Where is your attention? Where is your attention? मुझे यह चाहिए. I want this. I want this. यह मुझे दो. Give me this. Give me this. इसे मत तोड़ो. Don't break it. Don't break it. इसे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave it. Don't leave it. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. रास्ते से हटो. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. इतनी जोर से बात मत करो. Don't talk so loudly. Don't talk so loudly. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. Don't panic. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. कोई तुम्हें बुला रहा है. Someone is calling you. Someone is calling you. मुस्कुराते रहो. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. कुछ करो. Do something. Do something. क्या करूँ? What to do? What to do? कैसे करूँ? How to do? How to do? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? कैसे हुआ? How happened? How happened? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? कब जाना है? When to go? When to go? कब आना है? When to come? When to come? मैं पैसे दूंगा. I will pay. I will pay. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are so nice. You are so nice. अपनी आंखें खुली रखो. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. मुझे देर हो रही है. I am getting late. I am getting late. तुम हमेशा मुझे देर करवाते हो. You always make me late. You always make me late. चलो सीखते हैं. Let's learn. Let's learn. हम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे हैं। वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश। वी आर लर्निंग इंग्लिश। मैं अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ। आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश। आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश। क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? कैन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? कैन यू स्पीक इंग्लिश? समय बहुत कीमती है। टाइम इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस। टाइम इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस।